I'm going to show you how to make ABC sugar cookies. All you need is some butter, sugar, 1 egg, vanilla extract, and flour. First, you're going to start off by adding the sugar along with room temperature butter. If you don't have a stand mixer, you can use an electric hand mixer or just really go for it manually. You're going to cream that butter and sugar together for about 2 minutes until it's light and fluffy. I'm gonna go ahead and scrape the edges of the bowl. Next step, I'm going to add that 1 egg and the vanilla extract. And you're going to beat that together until fully incorporated. And last but not least, I'm going to add the flour. And you're going to mix this together on low speed. Don't want to overmix the flour into the dough. Now we're gonna transfer our dough into some plastic wrap to chill it. It's important that you chill your dough because if your dough is too warm, your cookies are going to spread really thin in the oven and they won't hold their shape. So notice how the dough is coming out a little bit crumbly. That's actually good. That means we haven't overmixed our dough. I'm just gonna take my clean hands and just kind of form it into a ball. You have one cohesive piece of dough. Press that into a disc, wrap it up in plastic. You're gonna chill that in the fridge for at least 2 to 3 hours. Let's preheat our oven to 375 degrees. I'm just gonna take some flour and flour my clean surface. That way, when we're rolling it out, the dough won't stick. And start rolling out. We've rolled it out now to about 1/4 of an inch thickness, and we'll start cutting out the cookies. So I have some alphabet cookie cutters. And you're gonna pop that in the oven and bake it for 7 minutes. So my cookies are out of the oven. They have fully come to room temperature. And now it's time to decorate. Really get creative. There's no right or wrong with how to do this. Let that icing dry and you'll end up with a creation like this. So have fun and enjoy.